The call to serve, answering God's call to the nations. Have you ever felt a quiet stirring deep inside, like a whisper that just won't quit? That could be the call to something bigger. For Samuel, it wasn't a booming voice or a spotlight moment. It was that subtle, persistent nudge at a mission trip far from home. Imagine sitting among children hearing about Jesus for the first time. Suddenly, your life feels like it's meant for more than comfort and routine. Samuel's heart said yes before his mind caught up. He prayed, "Lord, if this is your path, I'll go, wherever you send me." Could you say that? But saying yes isn't always a straight line. There's fear, the unknown, the weight of leaving behind what's familiar and safe. Samuel wrestled with questions. Am I equipped? Can I really leave it all behind? Spoiler alert, God doesn't call the equipped, He equips the called. When doubt clouded his mind, Samuel found strength in Abraham's story, called to leave everything for a promise unseen but trusted. Genesis 12 reminds us, "Go from your country, to the land I will show you." Abraham didn't know the way, but he trusted God's plan. Can you trust yours? Preparing for the mission field isn't just packing bags. It's learning culture, language, and maybe hardest of all, how to depend on God daily. And then there's raising support. Asking for help isn't easy. Samuel felt it deeply, but God's provision showed up just when he needed it most. Remember Jesus' words, "Seek first His kingdom, and all these things will be given to you." Trust that God's got your back, even when it's tough. A real turning point comes on the field, when you see lives change and realize this isn't a gig, it's a lifelong mission from God. Samuel's breakthrough? Sitting in that small house, seeing faith spark in new believers' eyes, that's when mission became his heartbeat. Jesus said, "Go make disciples of all nations, I am with you always." That promise carried Samuel through every tough day, and it will carry you too. So, if you hear that quiet whisper urging you beyond comfort, know this, it's not just a call, it's an invitation to change the world. Answering God's call means stepping into faith, surrendering fear, and trusting He'll lead every step of the way. Are you ready to say yes?